sophomore year.
Sophomore, my princess.
Next year I'll be 16. Able to drive a car to school. That's if I get one.
Hold on. You said what?
I said next year I'll be 16. Able to drive a car legally with a guardian.
Hey guys, good morning. How you are doing today? It's another day and we are heading to the bus stop. And guess we are all ready. Say good morning, Faith.
Good morning. I got my new shoes on. I thought they was fake Nikes.
Put your back properly. Happy Monday.
I thought they was
Today-
fake Nikes.
Today's Monday.
I thought it was pink and white.
You have the pink one. Today's Monday and it's a beautiful day. The weather is so calm. I like your hair. I like your hair too, the way you do your hair.
Yeah.
The bun did not work. So
Don't let me forget my key. Okay, no, I'm not gonna get inside the house. I guess we are the first people that's going to the bus stop.
I didn't lose it. I gave it to you and you lost it. Mom, come on.
No.
Come on. Come on.
Bye, good morning. We go. Bye. Okay guys, the kids just left. I'm home right now and let me pause the video a little bit, then I want to go, I want to work out, do my workout, then I'll be going live on Facebook. Okay, catch you guys later when I'm done working out. That's 500. Whew. Okay, 500 jump. Let's see if we can do more. Yes, we can. Just 8:14. Okay. Woo. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay? Okay. So far it's 500. Let's go. Thank you all for watching, guys. I appreciate every one of you, my old, my returning, my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate every one of you. May God bless you all. Guys, after I finish working out, I just have to clean, do some deep cleaning at home. I swept the floor. Alessia is back from school. She just came back.
It's hot. It's so hot. It's so hot.
Look at how grown she is now.
Yeah.
10th grade.
Sophomore year.
Sophomore, my princess.
Next year I'll be 16. Able to drive a car to school. That's if I did.
Hold on. You said what?
I said next year I'll be 16. Able to drive a car legally with a guardian.
How was school today?
It was fun actually. It was. I'd say it was better than last week. Okay. It's so crowded in the hallways because they're freshmen, but it was better.
Okay.
It was really good.
Go and pick your bag on the floor.
It's really good.
See? Mommy did I have to clean all the walls and I just finished mopping. You see the wall?
Let me analyze the walls. Wow.
Especially the staircase.
Yeah, the staircase was all
clean all this one.
How dirty was this?
Dirty.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
go change. See you.
Is that a go home?
No, Abigail's not back. Abigail's not back. Guys, I'm finally done cleaning, guys. I've been cleaning all day. All day. I have to clean the wall, the floor. I just finished mopping and also clean the wall. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video and wait for Abigail to be back. Since Alessia is back, right now it's 2:47. Abigail is going to be back around the 3:20 or 3:30, okay? I'll see you guys when Abigail is back, okay? Bye, guys. Let me show you guys the floor. Forgot to show you guys the floor. The floor is all clean. Yeah. The clip is clean. Everywhere is clean. How are you?